A low pressure area formed over North Bay of Bengal on 19th August and now lies as a well-marked low pressure area over Northwest Bay of Bengal. It is very likely to intensify and move westwards. Weather warning for Goa state issued by IMD GOA on 14:30 hours 1st of 19th August 2020. Heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 19th August 2020. Heavy rainfall very likely at few places. Very heavy rainfall likely at isolated places on 20th August 2020. Heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 21st August 2020. Heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 22nd August 2020. Heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 23rd August 2020. Fisherman warning for Maharashtra Goa coast issued at 14:30 hours 1st on 19th August 2020. Warning for North Maharashtra coast up to 75 kilometers from the coast. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kilometers likely to prevail along and off North Maharashtra coast on 19th, 20th and 23rd August 2020. Fishermen are advised not to venture along and off the coast during the above period. Warning for South Maharashtra Goa coast up to 75 kilometers from the coast. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kilometers per hour likely to prevail along and off South Maharashtra Goa coast on 19th, 20th and 23rd August 2020. Fishermen are advised not to venture along and off the coast during the above period. Warning for high sea and other coast beyond 75 kilometers from the coast. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kilometers per hour likely to prevail along and off Gujarat coast on 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd and 23rd August 2020. Strong wind with wind speed reaching 50 to 60 kilometers per hour likely to prevail along southwest and adjoining West Central Arabian Sea on 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd and 23rd August 2020. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during the above period. High waves in the range of 3.5 to 4.0 meters are forecasted during 17:20 hours on 18th August 2020 to 23:30 hours of 20th August 2020 along the coast of Gujarat from Diu to Oka and from Mandvi to Jakhau. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.